Opening a Forex account takes minutes, but choosing the wrong broker can cause withdrawal problems later. Most beginners don't lose money from trading. They lose it before they even start. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to open a Forex account and avoid the mistakes most traders make. This takes less than 5 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Choose your broker. This is the most important decision you'll make. Don't choose based on bonuses or ads. That's where most beginners go wrong. Instead, compare brokers based on regulation, spreads, execution speed, withdrawal reliability. To make this easier, go to Top Forex Brokers Review and compare brokers side by side based on real trading performance. Most people skip this step and regret it later. Once you choose a broker, click Open Account. Enter your email, password, country. Make sure everything is accurate. You'll need this for verification. Even small mistakes here can cause issues later. Next, complete verification. Upload ID, proof of address. If your details don't match your documents, your account can get restricted or delayed. This is where most accounts get delayed or rejected. Now choose your account type. This affects your trading cost. Standard accounts have no commission, but higher spreads. So your cost is built into the spread. Raw or ECN accounts offer very low spreads, but charge a small commission per trade. That's why raw or ECN accounts are usually cheaper over time. After verification, deposit funds. Check minimum deposit, payment methods, fees. Avoid bonus-heavy accounts if you want smooth withdrawals later. Now connect your account to MT4 or MT5 using login ID, password, server. If you're not sure how to do this, watch our MT4 setup guide next. Common mistakes: choosing unregulated brokers, entering incorrect details, skipping verification, choosing the wrong account type. Avoid these and your account setup will be smooth from day one. Before you open an account, take one extra step. Go to Top Forex Brokers Review and compare brokers based on real trading performance. As choosing the wrong broker here is the reason most beginners struggle, not trading. And if this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Top Forex Brokers Review for more expert broker insights.